Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install ADB and Fastboot drivers on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. Open any browser, search for SDK Platform Tools, click the first link, select Download for Windows, and hit Download. It downloads as a zip file. Now we need to extract it. I'll extract it to the desktop. Click Extract. There's the folder. Yes, I'll place it in the same folder. One second. There we go. And now I'll move it, cut it from here. Go to the C drive and paste it there, then open that folder and copy the path. Go to View Advanced System Settings, open Environment Variables, edit the path, and add new. Paste the link here, click OK, close it, and you're done. Installation complete. That's all there is to it. This has been Wellor. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.